Good day everyone, my name is Tweetty PEPITO from Department of Agriculture and Agri-Industry. For today's video, we're going to discuss the meat and seafood processing and preservation, mainly focusing on drying method. First, let us define what is drying. Drying is the first known methods of preserving foods. The principles involved in the reduction of the water content in a food or a meat in such a degree as to prevent it from spoiling. So why do we need to preserve the meat? The purpose of meat preservation is to add the length of the time of the meat that is fresh, healthy, and bacteria-free for human consumption. Meat is preserved using many different processing, and one of the example is a drying method. The process of a specific meat is preserved under is largely determined of what we're going the meat to be used. Meat preservation is in place to save those who consume the meat from contracting. So drying can be done through dehydrating fresh meat to extension stage. In drying, we need to hand-in-hand operation in order to achieve the desirable flavor and to lengthen the shelf life of the meat. So, in drying, there are three methods: the sun drying, solar drying, and shock drying. In solar drying, we have tunnel dryer and a multi-collector dryer. The temperature in drying method ranges from 70 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. So there is also disadvantages of drying method. First is the continuous evaporation that can lead to a loss of weight of a meat, causing the changes of the shape of the meat. First, meat can also become smallest, thinnest, and darker in color, and also the texture changes from soft to firm and to hard. Thus is the disadvantages of the drying method. So, there are also advantages of drying method. In all the methods, drying is more cheaper. It costs not costly and it doesn't require special facilities like refrigeration. It's also simple to store and to pack. So here are some types of drying. First, we have sun drying. Drying the food product under natural sunny condition is called as sun drying. No energy is required for drying. Minimum temperature of drying is 35 degrees Celsius with low humidity. The lower the limit of moisture content by this method is approximately 15%. Second, solar drying. Solar drying uses design structure to collect and enhance solar radiation. First is the absorption of hot box type dryers, in which the product is directly heated by the sun. Second, the indirect or convection dryers, in which the product is exposed to warm air, which is heated by means of solar absorber or heat exchanger. Lastly, the shade drying. In this kind of method is used for food which lost their color when exposed to directly sunlight for drying. That's all for my discussion for today's video. I hope you learned something on the drying method. Again, this is CLIER Tweetty PEPITO. Thank you for watching!